The Supreme Court has ruled in favor of a Colorado baker for refusing to make a wedding cake for a same-sex couple. Jack Phillips, of Masterpiece Bakery, cited his religious objections to marriage equality. The court voted 7-2 against the same-sex couple. Justices Ruth Bader Ginsburg and Sonia Sotomayor cast the lone dissents. Fellow liberal Justices Stephen Breyer and Elena Kagan voted with the majority. Baker Jack Phillips, photo, Facebook, Alliance Defending Freedom. The Supreme Court did not say this decision will not impact other opponents of same-sex marriage, such as florists and photographers. The National LGBT Bar Association said, "We believe the rights of minority groups to be free from the oppression of a majority religion cannot be infringed. Freedom of religion is an important and cherished right guaranteed in our Constitution, but that right does not and should not give anyone the right to treat certain Americans as second-class citizens. Discrimination under the guise of so-called religious freedom must not be allowed to flourish. LGBT Americans deserve the same respect and dignity their heterosexual and cisgender friends, neighbors, family, and countrymen deserve. We must continue to fight against discrimination in all its forms, whether it be through the legislature or the courts. This is not the end. There is still much work to be done. We will continue to work, day in and day out, to ensure that our community is protected. We understand that the courts and the law are the last frontier in securing our rights, and we'll do everything we can to ensure a forward momentum." Kennedy reasoned Phillips, in refusing to create a same-sex wedding cake, had good reason to believe he was within his rights. State law at the time allowed merchants some latitude to decline specific messages, such as those demeaning gay people and gay marriages. Phillips claimed he was fighting for the rights of creative artists to choose what they sell. Customers Charlie Craig and David Mullins represented a test between the Constitution's guarantees of free speech and religion and laws in 22 states prohibiting discrimination against the LGBTI community. The couple won before the Colorado Civil Rights Commission and the State Court of Appeals. This is not about religious beliefs. Numerous others have spoken up about the devastating consequences of this case. Religious leaders across the country don't support the baker. They believe this case is about discrimination, not religious freedom. Irene Monroe believes this could bring about a new Jim Crow era for LGBTI people. Got a news tip? Want to share your story? Email us.